Happy Saturday. I have got no kids today, but a laundry list of things to do. I'm excited to bring you guys along, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. First, I've got to get a workout in. I've been struggling with low energy lately, so I'm trying my best to stick to my routine. I know that is so vital when your body feels off. So we're gonna get our body moving. I know that always helps me mentally and physically. That was a challenge because I've been off my workout schedule for probably 3 days, so it kicked my butt a little bit, but Pamela Reed is one of my favorite fitness people to follow, and her workouts are always so fun and energetic, and that's just what I need mentally. I love the high-paced, like upbeat type of music. I love it. I love it. Guys, there's a squirrel in my kid's swing. Look at this goober squirrel. Look at him. What a goof. The nut he has in his mouth is probably from us because we feed them on a regular basis. This is so good. So good. I also don't have coffee until I have been up for at least an hour. So something to consider or try, because you should be letting your brain and your body just naturally wake up and come online all on its own before you add any type of caffeine. I just started using this Maybelline Superstay concealer and I'm already sold, obsessed, in love with it. I actually got it to replace my old one, which was the NARS Creamy Concealer, but my NARS one was like $32. This one's $10, so I definitely needed a more affordable option. I am not a makeup person. This will prove it. I have palettes that are at least 4 years old, and this one is peeling. That's how old it is. It may be an oldie, but it's a goodie. I've got coffee and snacks. coffee and snacks. I think I've got 5 orders to fill, so we're gonna get those done today. I'm not leaving this room till they're done. It's normally not this messy in here, but I've had active orders going for probably 2 consecutive weeks now, so I'm just kind of in survival mode at this point. I am rewatching the entire series of Gossip Girl right now.
I just needed a moment. Besides, I'm the one who should apologize.
No, really, this is broken. Yeah, she's got this crazy mother who's always like sparring with me, and this best friend who's very hard for me to deal with. His best friend's boyfriend.
But let's not get ahead of ourselves.
Brown, silver, sparkly.
Yeah, I think I saw that next to that ambiguous fake thing by the nondescript place.
Very comfortable.
Do you think all of the money that we spent on this private school, they could at least give us a comfortable spot to make out?
Or your brother. He's with Serena, and I'm with Blair, and I just really need you to help me out here. Live with me.
I plan to bring them up at the next.
Maybe we'd like this to play out in a simple way. So you're serious about it.
They're planning it, and they're in a good thing.
It's supposed to make you come in and check us out yesterday. I saw Dad buying drugs yesterday.
And ready. When I have this many orders, I have to literally just lock myself in this room with a good show and go to town. All right, I'm gonna tidy this up real quick. Then hopefully I have time to get the house reset before my kids come home, because that was on my list today. Painted rocks at their Nana and Pop-Pops.
I wanted it that way.
I know, it's beautiful. I love it. This one's cute. Did you make this one? No way. You made that little snowman?
I made all of them.
Oh my goodness.
But did you see on the back? Nana wrote all of that.
My youngest did this one and didn't even mean for it to be a sunset, but doesn't it look like a sun setting over water? That's so cute. Look,
Mama,
it looks like a purple finger.
That would Nana say.
No. Can you pull my purple finger? Ah, you got my finger. Ah, my finger's gone.
In a war zone. Obviously nothing was done.
Louise, calm down. That happened quick.
I want their what?
She's on your skin.
Hey, hold on.
You need to listen. Sometimes I like doing a reset before Sunday because then we can really spend a good amount of time together on Sundays instead of just cleaning or resetting the house like I would normally do for the week coming up. I'm gonna get changed into my comfy clothes and then go eat my dinner. Before we get into the evening routine, I just want to thank you guys for hanging out with me today. It was a very productive day and I'm so proud of myself for getting all those orders done. With that said, let's go eat some dinner and get these babies to bed. Well, that lasted long. Each kitten is tiny. I can't see because its eyes are closed, and he cannot hear because his ears are closed.